Hello everyone, and this video will show you how to use Attio CRM. So as you can see in their front page website, it says that Attio is the AI native CRM that builds, scales, and grows your company to the next level. So it's really great as an option for someone who has a business and they want to automate and streamline everything they have in their business, because Otto is not only a CRM, but it's powered with AI, so you need to do less manual labor. So this is how you use it. This is the first thing you could do. So first go on to attio.com, and then they have pricing for this, so it's not free, but it kind of is free because you can do the start for free button right here, and they let you have a trial. Basically, they send you a temporary password for your email, and you basically have a temporary account. So this is what I just did. I sent it to one of my emails, and they gave me a temporary password, and then right here I have access to test out the features of audio, and I'll show you how to use it. So right here is the first button right here. It's the notifications tab, and this is where you get notifications about important updates or anytime you're mentioned on audio. So this is important if you want to make sure audio is up to date. And you also have requests where you can where you get notified about requests from other users, because the main one that's this one's mostly from announcements from the entire website that's goes site wide. And then here is an example of the CRM for United Airlines, where it has a 1.17 million followers, as well as categories. So as you can see, if we click on here, it shows you that it's in the airlines, it's in the BTC, it's in the e-commerce, and as well as the transportation. So that just shows you a company example, as well as you can list the domain, you can list a description. United Airlines, a subsidiary of United Continental Holdings, is an American airline that transfers people and cargo with a global network of over whatever, blah, 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 blah. So, that would be an example. And say I want to add a new company myself. I could set the domain. I could set, I don't know, let's do google.com. Or let's do youtube.com. And we'll just say, YouTube is a media sharing platform that has billions of active users on it monthly, or something like that. And then you can put a team. So we can just create a person. I'm not gonna do all of this, but you get the idea. You can create a person, and then we'll just set the categories. We can set media right here, and we can also set online. I think we can set online. That's not quite right. We'll do broadcasting. It's definitely a broadcasting. There's so many more. It's basically everything. And we can set a location. I think it's in whatever. What is it? San Fran. I think it's something Valley, Silicon Valley. And we'll do California. And then we'll do the United States of America. And I don't think you need to fill out all of these. You can just create a record with the sufficient amount of information you already put into it. And then there you go. You see, it created a record for YouTube.com. And we said YouTube is a media sharing company that has billions of active users on it. So that's just one of the one of the ways. That's the record part of Attio. And let's look at the notes. You can create notes here. So, and say you want to, let's say the one we just did. We just created a record for YouTube.com. We'll select that record, and it's sort of like Notion, honestly, because this looks like Notion. And we'll just say a YouTube note. And then we can just click start typing, or we can create a template if we want. But honestly, I'm not gonna use that template. And we'll just say, YouTube is a very cool tool in that I am making a video writing about YouTube on YouTube while my viewers share this link through YouTube. I think you get the idea. And then it gives you a link or a note for that specific record that you just made. So that's cool. And you also have emails. So you can like mass email if you have a bunch of customers in your database. You can just click new email. And I don't have it configured, but let's just click it. And yeah, you gotta connect your email. It's a bit of a setup first, but that's basically the email section where you can email a bunch of people in your customer database. And then here's the report. So let's look at this as an example. This shows this could be data for like, say how many leads you got for a specific month. Like say you got like 5 for a specific client or specific niche in your company for business, then it would show up in this data chart here. But this is just like a company by country count that was that's from the example record database that we have. And that's basically cool because you can just create your own report, or you can go to the automations part right here. You can look at some of the sequences or the workflows. And this is like, I think this is very, very similar to like make.com or Zapier, more similar to Zapier in my opinion, because it's more structured in a block-like structure compared to make.com, which has like the nodes where you connect them like in a graph-like way. But yeah, you can like select a subject, which like this is an automated email, and about like the email I was telling you, you can specify it even more by like saying like, oh, I only want to mass email everyone in my company once like a specific quota is met, or like if you want a specific condition, it'll just email if only that condition's met. So that's cool. And you can also publish it. And basically, yeah, you probably want to go through this checklist right here to get familiarized. Like syncing the email account, installing the extension, creating a workflow, and exploring the apps. And there's a lot more apps, honestly. I only covered the tip of the iceberg, and you can like integrate so many apps, as you can see right here. So yeah, that's basically it. Hopefully I got your toes wet. Hopefully I helped you start to see what this app is. And thanks for watching this video, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye.